Hosting your RightFax server in the Advantage Cloud has many benefits. First and foremost is no longer will you pay for annual maintenance. Your system is managed entirely by the US-based Certified Advantage Support Group with over 28 years of experience. Our support group will handle all maintenance, updates, and system monitoring. Since we are maintaining the system, you will never have to pay for upgrading or patching. You can keep all your current integrations, and there is no learning curve since the user experience is the exact same as when the RightFax server was on premise. A simple per-page pricing model based on a minimum monthly commitment helps keep your faxing budget on track. If you have RightFax MFP connectors, they will continue to work, and Active Directory or Okta authentication will also work. A VPN is typically not needed since we connect using standard web and SMTP ports. We provide system availability assurance, data center redundancy, and your system is fully scalable, which means as fax traffic increases, your hosted RightFax system can be expanded to handle the load. Since your system is fully hosted, you never have to invest in operating systems, antivirus, security applications, and engineers to support the system. Our certified engineers will monitor your system and make sure it is optimized for your faxing environment.